Hello students, I am Anita Pillai. Now here I teach English for. Let us go to lesson. You take your book, open it and take first lesson, the barber and the woodcutter. When I start reading, you listen carefully. First, many years ago in Arabia, there lived a barber. Barber means a person who cut the hair. He cut hairs beautifully and trimmed beard beards neatly. Landlords, noblemen, and officers of the Sultan were all his customers. Many big persons came to where this barber's shop. The barber became very proud. Barber became very proud and despised turn upon the poor and simple people. Ignore it. Ignore these papers. Ignore these papers. There came a woodcutter one day with bundles of chopped wood. There came a woodcutter. Here, there came a woodcutter. Woodcutter means who cut the wood. One day with bundles of chopped wood. Chopped woods means woods cut in small pieces. That is chopped wood. On his donkey. On his donkey's back. The barber was standing in front of the shop. One day barber standing in front of his shop. After a bargain, the barber agreed to buy. After a bargain means settle. Bargain means settle terms of sale. After bargain, barber agreed to buy all the wood. Silver coin for all the wood on donkey's back. What is the agreement between barber and woodcutter? What is the agreement? The barber said, I will give you 2 silver coins for all the wood on donkey's back. As the woodcutter needed money. Woodcutter, he is a poor man. He need money. He readily agreed. Readily agreed. He began to take off. Who began to take off? The woodcutter began to take off. Take off means take the chopped wood from donkey's back. He taking off all the bundles of wood. The woodcutter said to the barber, please give me 2 silver coin. Please, woodcutter said to, who said that? Woodcutter said to barber, you give me my silver coin, 2 silver coin for these woods. Yeah, you have not honored the agreement. Who said that? You have not honored the agreement. Who said that? Barber said to woodcutter. Who said to whom? The barber said to woodcutter. What? You have not honored the agreement, said the barber. I had agreed to give 2 silver coins for all the wood. Look yourself. Who said that? Look yourself, man. Who said that? The woodcutter said to barber. The woodcutter said, not a single piece of wood on donkey's back now. Left on donkey's saddle. Donkey's left on the saddle. Saddle means. The barber said, what about the saddle? Well, who said that? The barber said, what about the saddle? Is not made up of wood. A saddle is made up of wood. The saddle is made up of wood. A saddle is not made up of wood. Give me this saddle to me. The barber wanted money, then give me that. What saddle? In spite of all the objections, here and he asked this, said that. In spite of all these objections raised by the poor woodcutter, the barber took the saddle along with the firewood before he gave him 2 silver coins. Before he gave him 2 silver coins, he take the saddle from donkey's back. The woodcutter need money very badly. Moreover, it was getting dark. Means sunset, coming sunset. So he went away with money without saying anything. He go to his home. But the woodcutter straight away went to the palace of the Sultan and told him everything. The Sultan said, it's true that you said true. It's true that barber has cheated. It's true that barber has cheated. Take a next page. The Sultan said it's true that the barber has cheated. He cheated you, but he is right. He has broken no law. For what Sultan said? In the agreement time, the barber said to the woodcutter, what he said? I will give you 2 silver coins for all the wood on donkey's back. That is right. So here Sultan said he is right. He has broken no law. The Sultan felt sorry for the woodcutter and told him how to teach the barber a lesson. The next morning, the woodcutter went to the barber shop. Next day, the woodcutter went to the barber shop. He went to the barber shop and said to the barber, I would like to have a shave. For myself, and a complete shave for my friend who is standing outside. The barber demanded 2 silver coins and the woodcutter agreed. Agreed. 2 silver coins for shaving of woodcutter and woodcutter's friend. The barber shaved the woodcutter and then asked the woodcutter to call his shaving is over. The woodcutter's shaving is over. Then the woodcutter, the barber said to woodcutter, friend inside, called his friend inside. The woodcutter said, I don't think he will come inside your shop. I don't think he comes inside this shop. You may go outside and shave him outside, and you go outside and shave him. The barber came out and the woodcutter. The barber came out and the woodcutter. The woodcutter pointed to his donkey. He pointed his donkey. That is my friend. Donkey is my friend. The barber got angry. What nonsense you are talking? I shave only humans, not animals. In his rag means when he went to the Sultan palace and died. What was the Sultan had been go to Sultan palace? The barber go to Sultan palace. The Sultan but the Sultan waiting for him. The Sultan called both men to his court. Both men means woodcutter and a barber. After hearing everything, the Sultan said, you made an agreement, and you are supposed to honor it. You made an agreement and you honor it. You honor it. The Sultan ordered the barber go back to his shop and shave the donkey immediately. Sultan ordered, go to your shop and shave the donkey. Shave the donkey immediately. Immediately shave the donkey. The barber started shaving donkey, and soon a big crowd gathered. Everyone was laughing at the barber. Soon the Sultan reached there his statue. He told the barber to return the saddle. You return the saddle to the woodcutter. If he did not want to shave the donkey, if he did not want to shave the donkey, you give the saddle to woodcutter. The barber immediately went to the shop and went to the shop and came back with the saddle and gave it to the woodcutter. This is how the barber learned a lesson. This way barber learned a lesson, and he tried to cheat others, and he never tried to cheat, and he never tried to cheat others. This lesson is over.